In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock aspect ratio in Canva so you can resize your image or element freely without it staying stuck in the same proportions. This is super useful when you want to stretch, compress, or adjust a design element to fit your layout exactly the way you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and step-by-step tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign into your account if needed. Once you're in, open the design that you want to edit. This can be anything from a social media post to a presentation, flyer, thumbnail, or custom design. After your design opens, click on the image or element that you want to resize. You need to select the specific item first so Canva knows exactly what you want to adjust. Once the element is selected, look at the top toolbar. If the lock icon is visible there, click it. That lock setting is what can keep the aspect ratio fixed, which prevents free resizing. After clicking the lock icon, turn off lock aspect ratio. This step is the key part of the process because it allows you to change the width and height independently instead of keeping them linked together. Once the aspect ratio is unlocked, go to the side handles on the selected image or element. Now you can drag the handles freely to resize it exactly how you want. If you drag from the side, you can widen or compress it. If you drag from the corner, you may still keep some proportional scaling depending on the element, so for the most freeform adjustment, use the side handles. Take a moment to adjust the size until it fits your design properly. If it looks distorted, you can always undo and try a different adjustment. This is especially helpful when you need to make a graphic fit inside a frame, align text and elements better to, or create a more customized look in Canva. And that's it. You now know how to unlock aspect ratio in Canva and resize your design elements more freely. If this video saved you time, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.